In this scenario, we will add a SCORM zip file of a third-party e-learning course to uPerform as a managed document. We will add an Articulate Rise 360 course, but the same steps could be applied to upload other AICC or SCORM e-learning courses created using other e-learning course software. Start the steps in the relevant project and document library folder on the uPerform Management Center. Click Add Document. Click Name. Enter name. Example, My EHR Navigation Overview. Click and enter a description. While adding a description is optional, having a description is very beneficial for user search. The default type value of managed document is accurate when uploading any AICC or SCORM zip file. Click Choose File. Browse to select the relevant AICC or SCORM zip file from your PC or other file location. Click the SCORM zip file. Click Open. Optionally, you might want to upload and manage both a source file, for example a Captivate CPTX source file, and a published file, for example the matching Captivate SCORM or AICC zip file, within uPerform for document management and version control. In this scenario, only a SCORM zip file was provided to us, so it can be added as our source file. For SCORM and AICC files, uPerform will display a launch file section after the file is uploaded. In this example, uPerform was able to inspect the SCORM zip file and determine the launch file within it. The SCORM and AICC files need to be added individually using this add document method, and not via batch check-in for uPerform to be able to determine the launch file. Click Save. The third-party e-learning course has been successfully added to your project's document library, which contains all your source content. Once the steps are completed, add a property set, assign a user group, assign a learning library location, and publish. The course will be visible to end users. Check with your uPerform consultant or administrator for the specific steps required for your project.